Hello everyone. Good evening ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. Good evening my dear students. ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ? How are you all my dear students? Good evening everyone. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. Welcome to Physics Wala Kannada Foundation channel my dear students. Am I audible? Am I audible my dear students? ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Good evening everyone. Good evening. Fine. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. So as you all know ನಾವು one shot series ಅನ್ನ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. Correct? ಈಗ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 2 ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮುಗಿಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಫೈನ್, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್ ವಿತ್ 2 ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ and next we are going to start with the third topic and very important topic. If you understand this will be your pair of linear equations in two variables. Correct? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. SSLC ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಇಂದ, ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಇಂದ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ MCQ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಫೈನ್, ಒನ್ MCQ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಫೈನ್. ಸೊ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೂ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು. 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ 1 ಕ್ವಶನ್, 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ 1 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಗ್ರಾಫಿಕಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಶೋರ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ 100% ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ 1 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಮಾ ಸಾನ. ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ದ ಸೆಷನ್ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಟೀ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರದು? ಡನ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಟೀ ಸ್ನ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್? ಫೈನ್. ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ದ ಸೆಷನ್. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಟಿ ಓಂಕಾರ್ ಸರ್, ಓಂ ಸರ್. ಫೈನ್, ಸೆಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆದ್ರೆ. ಓಕೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಇದು ಯಾಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಒನ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್. ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ನಿಮ್ದು ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದರ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಒನ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್. ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಇಸ್ ದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೈ ಟೇಕ್ 7 to 8 ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ವಿತ್ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್. ಫೈನ್, 100% 7 to 8 10 ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಇವಾಗ ಇನ್ ಅ ವೀಕ್ ಇಫ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 4 ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು, ಸೊ 2 to 3 ವೀಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ 2 to 3 ವೀಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾರೆ ಹಬ್ಬ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಯು ಮೈಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಒನ್ ಶಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಫೈರ್ ಶಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಗನ್ ಶಾಟ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಇಂದ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ವಿತ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಒಂದೇ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮೇನ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತೇನ್ರಿ? ಡನ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್. ಅಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಏನು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಈ ಟಾಪಿಕ್. ಫೈನ್, ಯು ಮೈಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ಲಿ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್, ನಾಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮಚ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಎಸ್, ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೂ very important topic, that is introduction and types of solutions of pair of linear equations, graphical method of solution, algebraic method of solution, and then we are going to do what? Examples. Clear? Now if we talk about the weightage, clear? If we talk about the weightage over here, fine, weightage anna now discuss madidre from graphical method we will definitely get one question for 4 marks. Clear? One question for 4 marks. Now when we talk for algebraic method of solution alli, fine, just a minute. Yes, algebraic method of solution is divided into 2 parts over here. First one banbittu your substitution method. We have substitution method, fine, and another one is we have is elimination method. Clear? Substitution method and elimination method. So illinda, fine, from these 2 methods we will get 2 questions. Fine, and 2 questions, one 2 marks irutte and another one will be your 3 marks. Clear? Did you people understand? Substitution 3 marks ig bandre, elimination 2 marks ig barutte, and if your elimination is for 3 marks, substitution will be for 2 marks. Fix illa. And from here you will get what? One question. Fine, you can get one question. Fine, your work is to sit and study pa. Okay, not ask unnecessary questions. Understood? Fine, done. So these 4 topics we need to study. Artha aita? Clear? Fine, topic related ಏನರೆ question ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳು, unnecessary questions ಕೇಳಿಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ. Now next, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಫೈನ್, ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾರೆ ಈ ಸೆಷನ್ದು ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಯುವರ್ NCERT ಬುಕ್. ಆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ NCERT ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾರೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ದು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಇವಾಗ ಇನ್ ದ PW ಆ್ಯಪ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ವಾಲಾ ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಇಂದ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದೇರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ನೋಟ್ಸ್. ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದ್ರ ಕೂಡ DPP ಅನ್ನ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ? ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಯೋರ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಇನ್ ಯೋರ್ PW ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಫ್ರೀ ಆಗಿ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಇದೆ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರೀ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ DPP ಆಗಲಿ ನೀವು ₹1 ಕೂಡ ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡೋದು ನೆಸಿಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಫ್ರೀ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾ? ನಾವು ಇನ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಎಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ದ PW ಆ್ಯಪ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಯೋರ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಭಿಮನ್ಯು ಕನ್ನಡ. ಫೈನ್. ಅಭಿಮನ್ಯು ಕನ್ನಡ 3.0 ಅನ್ನ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ ಅಬ್ಸಲ್ಯೂಟ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರೀ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಓವರ್ ಇಯರ್. ಫೈನ್. ಫ್ರೀ ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದಟ್ DPPs. ಸರ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ DPPs ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್? ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಗೋ ಟು ದ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಆ ಅಭಿಮನ್ಯು ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ತರ ಇಂಟರ್ಫೇಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸಿ ಇಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸಿ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಡ್ಯೂರೇಷನ್. ಫೈನ್. ವ್ಯಾಲಿಡಿಟಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ, number of lectures in a day, content of the class, topic wise theory and exercise problems, and this all things you are going to see over here. Clear? Adadmele if you need notes and DPPs subjects ಅಲ್ಲಿ click ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್, ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ, ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಯಾಲಜಿ. ಇನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ you'll get all the notes of this session along with the DPPs. Clear? Understood? Yes, very nice. If this is clear now, next let us start with the topic over here. Linear equations in two variables. Correct? Hi ma, Kyanvi, how are you? Good evening ellarigu. Welcome to the session. Fine, just a minute. Yes. Fine. Good evening. Yes. So linear equations in two variables. So if we see the general form of linear equation in two variables. Correct? General form of linear equations in two variables. Fine. Yes. So if we see this, how will be the general form of linear equations in two variables? It will be given by a1x, fine, a1x plus b1y plus, okay, or we can simply tell that ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Fine. This is a general form of linear equations in two variables. Here a, b and c, x and y are two variables. Fine. Whatever x and y are there, they are your two variables over here students, and whatever your a, b and c is there, they are your constants. Okay, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾ? ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ವಿಶ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್. ಗ್ರೋ ಇನ್ ಲೈಫ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್. So x and y are the two variables, a, b, c are the constants over here. So this is the general form of linear equations in what? Two variables. Clear? So what we have to study actually is in this your class 10th, pair of linear equations in two variables kottidra. How do we find its solution? Fine. If we have pair of linear equations in two variables, how do we find its solution? Fine. Because see, earlier session alli, fine, in your class 9th, you must have studied about this. Correct, right? Fine. Can you people tell me, if we consider this equation, fine, that is 2x plus 3y plus 12 is equals to 0. The number of solutions of this, of this equation is dash. Yes, number of solutions adava. How many solutions do we have? Fine. graphical method, elimination method and substitution method, correct? That equation has how many solutions, students? 2x plus 3y plus 12 is equals to 0. This equation has how many solutions? This is nothing but what? This is a general equation in, this is a equation in two variables, correct? Fine. This is a linear equation in two variables. Only two. Are you sure? Only two solutions it has? Okay, fine. So I'll take x value as equals to 0 and y value as equals to 4. Will it be a solution, students, over here? Fine. Or else I'll take x value as minus 4. So nodri ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ 2 times of it will be nothing but what? 0 plus 3 times of minus 4 plus 12 should be equals to 0. So here it is minus 12 plus 12 will be equals to 0. So 0 equals to 0. Correct? So idu solution aita. This is a solution. Correct or not? Only two solutions ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Confirm ಮಾಡೋಣ. Fine. Again next, I can take as your x value as equals to x value as equals to minus 6, y value as equals to 0. Will it act as a solution? Will it act as a solution? Let's see. 2 times of minus 6 plus 3 times of 0 plus 12 should be equals to 0. So minus 12 plus 12 is equals to 0. This means that 0 equals to 0. Yes, this is also a solution. ಹೌದೇನಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ. ಫೈನ್. ನಾವ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯು ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಚೆಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಎಸ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಫೈನ್. X value I will take it as minus 3, fine, and y value I will take it as minus 2. Will this be a solution? Will this be a solution? X value minus 3, y value minus 2. Solution ಆಗ್ತದೇನಾ? So if we substitute over here, it should be 2 times of minus 3 plus 3 times of minus 2 plus 12 should be equals to 0. Is it equals to 0, students? Is it equals to 0? Nodri ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus 12 minus 6 minus 6 plus 12 obviously will get 0 equals to 0. So this is also acting as a solution. You people told 2 solutions, I am telling 3 solutions. Fine. Like this only, if I go on continuing, students, il minus 4 tagotini, fine, and here some number I will take, then that will also become a solution. Clear? So a linear equation in two variables, only one equation is there. A linear equation in one variable has infinite solutions. Infinite solutions. ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್ ಇನ್ಫೈನೈಟ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತು ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ, we have to take this equation 2x plus 3y plus 12 is equals to plus 12 is equals to 0. Now when we saw this, students, when we saw this, okay, fine, okay, when we see it over here, look at this. Fine, you know this method now. We'll take x value as what? X value, y value. If I take x value as 0, y value will be nothing but what? Minus 4. And if I take y value as 0, x value will be nothing but what? Minus 6. Clear? Now let us draw the graph of this. Let us draw the graph of this over here. Observe ಮಾಡ್ರಿ graph ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Fine. Yes, so here somewhere we have 0. This is 1, fine, 1, 2, 3, fine. We don't need actually this values. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, correct? Sorry, minus 5 and minus 6, clear? And similarly here also we have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and here also we have 1, 2, 3 and 4, correct? Fine. Now look at this. The line joining these 2 points, that is this point 0 comma minus 6 comma 0, and this is 0 comma minus 4. The line joining these 2 points will be like this. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇರ್ತದ? Yes or no? Correct? The line will be like this, students. Fine. Now all the points lying on this points, prati one point lying on this line. On this line, how many points are there? How many points on this line? How many points on this line? Uncountable points or infinite points, correct? So we can tell that every point on this line, every point on this line is solution of, correct, 2x plus 3y plus 12 is equals to 0. So points estadava infinite. So this has how many solutions? Infinite solutions. Clear? Is it clear for everyone? Tell me first. Infinite solutions. Fine. Yes. So now if it has infinite solutions, we go to what now? One particular case where we take pair of linear equations. Correct? Nodri. Pair of linear equations in two variables. Clear? So when we tell pair of linear equations in two variables, it is of this kind. Yav riti irtada? A1x plus, fine, it will be of this kind, students. A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equals to 0 and A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equals to 0. Okay, so this is your pair of linear equations in two variables. Concept clear aiti? And then when what we study now, how to find the solution, what kind of solution does this pair of linear equations in two variable has? That is our main topic of discussion. Clear? So what we have to discuss in this topic is, fine, note two outcomes they are there. Clear? We have outcomes of this topic. Clear? So what outcomes do we have is, fine, first one we have to study is nature of solution. Okay, nature of solution of this pair of linear equation, PLE under pair of linear equations. Fine. And then we have nothing but what, students? Yes, pair of linear, no, outcomes I am telling. Clear? Outcomes what we have to study from this topic. ಏನೇನು ಓದಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ nature of solution, unique solution ಐತಿ, infinite solution ಐತಿ, in no solution. That is what we have to study. And second thing is finding the solution. Of this pair of linear equations. Clear? So this is what we study in this two topic. Now when we go to this introduction to types of solutions. Clear? Introduction to types of solutions. ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ, pair of linear equations ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ ಅದರ ಕಡೆ solution ಇರಬಹುದಾ, or it might not have a solution also. Correct or no? So when we talk about introduction to types of solution, we have mainly three categories. The first one is nothing but what? First one is unique solution. Okay, the pair of linear equations might have unique solution. Correct? Unique solution means what? We get, fine, the definition of unique solution tells that we get exactly one and only one values. Okay, we get exactly one and only one values of x and y. Okay, so this is a unique solution. Yes, correct Magyanvi, super. Theta. So if we get exactly one and only one values of x and y, one the value ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ನಂಗೇನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದೈತಿ ಅದು ನಿಮಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ both the answers are matching and it is only one value, then in such case we tell that what? It is a unique solution. Second kind of solution is, fine, second kind of solution is we have infinite solution. So when do we say the given whatever linear equations are there, it has infinite solution is condition of the Fine, that condition will come later, but meaning is what? Infinite possible values, infinite possible values of x and y. Okay, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗ್ತದ? ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಇನ್ಫೈನೈಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೈ ರೀ. ಫೈನ್, ನಂಗೂ ಒಂದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದೈತಿ, ನಿಮಗೂ ಬಂದೈತಿ, 10 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದೈತಿ, 100 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದೈತಿ, 1000 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? Fine sir, will you explain exercise questions? Yes ma, selected important exercise questions I am going to explain. Fine, which are repeated board exams or which is important. Fine, those type. Clear? So whatever this is there students, infinite possible values of x and y bantandra, if you are getting infinite possible values of x and y, then we call it as what? Infinite solution. Clear? And the third point over here is, third point, it is of no solution. Clear? So no solution, when we will get condition in other no solution, no values of x and y are possible. Correct? No values of x and y are possible. ಯಾವುದು values find ಮಾಡಾಕ ಬರವಲ್ತು. ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ನಿ, ಬರಾತಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಬರಾತಿಲ್ಲ. Such case we call it as what? Infinite solutions. Means both the equations whatever they are there, they are not satisfying a common value. Clear? Now from these three cases, next we will move on to what? Types of solution. Clear? Nodri, categorize ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? Types of solutions of pair of linear equation. How do we categorize it? Now here what do we have? We have two pair of linear equations, correct? So it is categorized into two parts: consistent solution and inconsistent solution. Consistent solution andre ena? Solution adappa. The meaning of consistent solution is, fine, meaning nodri tarada, the given pair of linear equation has at least one solution. At least one solution andre ena? Exactly one solution atandra unique solution. The given pair of linear equation has at least one solution, we tell. If it has one solution, we say unique solution. If it has more than one solutions, we say infinite solutions. Clear? So it is categorized into two parts over here. Okay. So under this we have two cases. Yes, under this we have two cases students. That is nothing but what? Unique solution. Clear? Unique solution. And we learned the meaning of unique solution. How the law? What do we said? Unique solution, exactly one values of x and y. Clear? And next case we have is of what? Infinite solution. So both this type of solution are what? Consistent solution. Clear aata? Next one whatever we have is of inconsistent solution. Now inconsistent solution means what? The given pair of linear equation. Fine. Fine. Here I'll write down. The given pair or the given pair of linear equation does not have a solution. Okay, does not have a solution. Inconsistency meaning. So means what? No solution case. ಯಾವುದು solution ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರ ಯಾವ ಕೇಸ್ನಾಗ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇದು? It is of no solution case. So did you people understand now? Three cases. Did you people understand? Quickly tell me. Chat box ನಾಗ active ಆಗಿರ್ರಿ. Understood or no? Fine. Unique solution and infinite solution are consistent type. Fine. And no solution is what? Inconsistent type. Okay. Yes. We have certain examples. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು examples ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay, before that we have to go to conditions. Yes, after that only we can discuss about them. Clear? Yes, look at this students. Fine. graphical method of solution. Fine. Before this, we can discuss this and go. Note. Fine. So yes, we discussed that whatever given pair of linear equations is there. Fine. Can I use this? Just a minute, students. Itralli case nimge explain martini. Fine. Now we discussed that whatever these solutions are there, unique solution ada, infinite solution ada, and no solution ada. Fine. We have these three types. Consistent means the given pair of linear equation has at least one solution. And second condition is inconsistent solution is the given pair of linear equation ಒಂದು solution ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವಾಗ possible ಅದ? When it is possible, yes, see here. Fine. When do we say unique solution? Exactly one solution. When it is possible? Whenever your a1 by a2, yes, whenever your a1 by a2. Condition for, yes, can anyone tell me what is the condition for unique solution in chat box? Fast. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚಾಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ನಾಗ ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿರ್ರಿ. Yes, I am explaining it once again. Look at this, ma. Fine. So I am telling that it will have unique solution if a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. Clear? It will have infinite solutions. Fine. a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. Correct. a1 and a2 we have over here, b1 by b2 we have over here. Infinite solutions will get if a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. Fine. Sorry. We'll get infinite solutions when a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2. Okay. So these are the conditions. Fine. Here I am writing down conditions. Okay na? Clear? Artha aita? Fine. Next, coming to your infinite solution, we say that a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 but is not equals to c1 by c2. So in that case, we say that both the solutions are what? Fine. No solution. Pair of linear equation has what? No solution. Did you people understand types of solution? Illind a1 by a2 ratio, b1 by b2 ratio not equal bantandre unique solution. a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2 all three are equal, then we say infinite solution. And if a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 but not equals to this last ratio, we say that it is no solution case. Fine. Now coming to this type of problem over here. Do this. On comparing the ratios a1, a2, b1, b2 and c1, c2, find the following pair of equations are consistent or inconsistent. ಒಂದು solution ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ consistent, solution ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ inconsistent. Now they are telling based on this ratios. They are telling that take the ratios of this and then tell whether they are consistent or inconsistent. Smart theory. Fine. Will you do? Chalo. First one start madona. First one when we see over here. Okay. First of all, try to express them in what? Your standard form. That is 3x plus 2y minus 5 should be equals to 0. And then again we have nothing but what? 2x minus 3y minus 7 is equals to 0. In the ratio note, if we take the ratio over here, 3 by 2 itself is not equals to this 2 by minus 3. Correct or no? 3 by 2 mat 2 by minus 3 bere bere adavala. Or this can also be written as what? Minus 2 by 3. Fine. Hi Pa, Gaudra. Good evening. Fine. So 3 by 2 is not equals to minus 2 by 3. So definitely this implies that your a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2 itself. So this means that the given whatever pair of linear equations are there is what? Unique solution. It is unique solution case. Howda? So unique solution bandmele what do we say? The given equations are what? Therefore we say that pair of linear equations are consistent. Clear? Pair of linear equations are what? Consistent. Yes, very nice. Clear? Second we see, second one ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So second one, what do we have? 3 by 2x, standard form first of all, 3 by 2x, correct, plus 5 by 3y minus 7 should be equals to 0, and the other equation we have 9x, correct, 9x minus 10y minus 14 should be equals to 0. ಹೌದಾ? Is this clear everyone? Take the ratios. Simple ಆಗಿ ratios ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Ratios ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 by 2 ಬರ್ತದೆ. 3 divided by 2 whole divided by we have 9. Here we have, okay, ಈಗ equal to ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದೇನೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ let us establish 5 by 3 divided by 10, and here we have minus 7 by minus of 14. Yes, look at this students now. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗತ್ತದ, your 3 ones are 3 3s are, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 into this is 1 by 6, correct, because 2 into 3 will be 6, and then 5 ones are 5 2s are, again 3 2s are 1 by 6, so ಎರಡು equal banta. And over here what do we have over here? Minus minus will get cancelled, 7 ones are 7 2s are, but this is 1 by 2, so ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, this both are equal, this is unequal, so a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 but is not equals to c1 by c2. Which case? ಯಾವ ಕೇಸ್ ಇದೆ? a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2, c1 by c2 unequal, means this is the case of what? No solution. Conditions ಅನ್ನ refer ಮಾಡಿ. What did I give you the conditions over here? Look at this conditions. If your a1 by a2 is equals to, sorry, a1 by a2, if it is equals to your b1 by b2 but not equals to c1 by c2, then 100% it is condition of what? Yes, 100% it is condition of what? No solutions. And no solutions means what? The given pair of linear equation is what? Inconsistent. Clear? It is inconsistent. Fine, done. Chalo, do the third one. Third one ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. Do the third one students. Do the third one. Okay, first of all express them in the standard form and take. Okay, so here if I make them in standard form, 4 by 3x minus 2y, sorry, plus 2y minus 8 is equals to 0, and then we have 2x plus 3y minus 12 is equals to 0. Take the ratio, 4 by 3 divided by 2. Fine, ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗ್ತದೆ, 2 by 3 simply, and again here we have nothing but what? Minus 8 by 12, correct, minus 8 by minus of 12, correct. So here if you observe 2 ones are 2s are, correct, 2 by 3 already it is there, minus minus will get cancelled, 4 3s are and 4 2s are, 4 2s are and 4 3s are, so equal equal equal, because 2 by 3 is equals to 2 by 3 is equals to what? 2 by 3, correct. So this means that what students? a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equals to what? c1 by c2, correct. Fine, so this is the case of what now? So we can tell over here, since all the ratios are equal, it has what? Infinite solution. Infinite solution, and whatever it is there, it is consistent. Clear everyone? Is there any confusion? ಹೌದಲ್ಲ, ಮೂರು ಕೇಸನ್ನ ಓದಿದ್ವಿ, after that we saw this part. Okay, now next, after this we study what? Fine, just a minute. Yes, after this students we study graphical method of solution, correct. So graphical method of solution it is a method to find the solution of what? Pair of linear equations in two variables, correct. Graphical method of solution is what? It is a method of finding the solution of what? Pair of linear equations. Clear? Now when we discuss the solution for pair of linear equations, ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರೈಸ್ ಇಂಟು 3 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಹೌದಾ? ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವ್ರಿ? ಫೈನ್. ಎಸ್. So first we categorize it as what? Unique solution. Okay. We categorize them as what? Unique solution. Fine. So unique solution condition ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ರಿವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೋಗೋಣಂತ, ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. Fine. So yes, look at this students. We have pair of two linear equations. a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0. And we have a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. We have these two pair of linear equations. Unique solution case in ಹೇಳ್ತದ ನಮ್ಗ, it says that your a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. Clear? Understood? Now how do we find its solution graphically? Graphically it means that, okay, now here I am discussing the graphical point of it. Okay, so here students I am discussing the graphical point of it. G anta barita idini. G means what? Graphical. Now what does it says? When it has unique solution, the lines intersect each other. Lines intersect each other at exactly one point. Exactly at one point. The lines. Okay, sure pa. Fine. So we are telling that unique solution it will have, the graphical meaning says that the lines intersect each other at exactly one point. Means that nothing but what, students? Over here I am taking this. Fine. Now if there are two lines over here, this is your one line. Fine. Another line, if it is like this, then at where it is intersecting? At exactly one point alva. Then this will be the solution. Okay, change pen color. Yes, then whatever this point is there, it will be solution of pair of linear equation. Is it clear everyone? Fine. So midterms are coming, make sure that all your concepts are cleared. Okay, fine students. Yes, so next bandbitta, moving on to the second case. First case antu aita. So let us move on to the second case over here. Yes, second case is of what? Infinite solutions. Infinite solution. Okay. Yes, look at this. So the infinite solution case, what does it says us is, fine. So according to the algebra, in ಹೇಳ್ತದ a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equals to what? c1 by c2. Correct? Now the graphical meaning of it. Discuss ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, fine, that is graphical G. What does it say students to us? In ಹೇಳ್ತದ graphical method, the line intersects. Okay, we say that the lines intersects each other infinite times. Okay, infinite times. How da sir? How are you telling this? I am telling it like this. Fine, we'll take this. You'll note one of the line if it is like this, students. One of the line if it is like this, this is a one of the line. Then the other line will overlap it. Overlap andre ee riti. So both the lines are what? Overlapping each other. Are you able to see? One is a blue line, one is a orange line. Both the lines are overlapping, and it will overlap at how many points? Infinite points. It prati one point iga at prati one point over here, every point it will overlap and all this will become the what? Solutions. Clear? Fine, understood. Infinite solution ಆ ಕೇಸ್ನಾಗ. Fine. And the third one we have, okay, third one we have is of what? Yes, third one we have is of what? No solution. Clear? Third case is of what? No solution. Fine. So no solution ಯಾವಾಗ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ? We get in the case of what? A1 by A2 should be equals to B1 by B2 should not be equals to what? C1 by C2. Correct? Graphical meaning ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತದ? What does the graphical meaning tells us is? Fine. Graphical meaning tells us that the lines never intersect. The lines never intersect each other. Okay, fine. So how it will be now? The lines will never intersect each other. Sorry. So the lines will never intersect each other means if one line is like this, the other line will also be what? It will be like this. Clear? If one line is like this, both the lines note. Yadare common point adena. This is your one line. The other line is what? This line. Fine. It does not has any common point. So it will never intersect. Clear? Concept clear ada? Never intersect, no solution. Intersect infinite times, infinite solution. Exactly at one point, unique solution. So this is what graphical method tells us. Now if this is clear, let us move on to a problem. Form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solutions graphically. Exam nek kuda 4 marks question ida riti bartadu. In your exams also you will get 4 marks questions in the same format. Yes, Mad. 10 students are there of class 10 took part in mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 times more than the number of boys, find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. Okay, one hint kodtini. From that hint you people try to solve. We'll take let x be the number of boys. Okay, let x be the number of boys. Fine. And we'll take y be the number of girls. Okay, number of girls. Yes. Now according to the question, ATQ andre ena? According to the question. Okay, ATQ is according to the question. We have x plus y. Fine, just a minute. Yes, according to the question, what do we have students over here? X plus y is equals to 10. Correct? Because number of students are nothing but what? 10. If the number of girls is 4 times more than the boys, andre ena? Y is equals to 4 times of x. Okay, or from here y will be equal, or 4x minus y will be equals to what? 0. So this is a equation 1 and this is a equation 2. Now try to do it. Okay, try to do it now. Okay, hang martiri. How will you do? Look at this. We have x plus y. Okay, we have x plus y is equals to 10 and we have 4x minus y as equals to 0. Yard equations adava. I'll write it down like this. Fine. I need the box also for this because values bekala. Yes on nodri illenada. Yes. So here we will take x students, x anna tagolona, and y we will take x value 0, y value 10, y value 0, x value 10. Is one box aita. Similarly, we can discuss for what? Your 4x minus y is equals to 0. Correct? Fine. So it will be a line passing through origin. Or from here y will be equals to what? 4 times of x. Clear? So now ee riti tagobodu idakka. Fine. So we'll take x values, y values. So x value 1, y value will be what? 4. And if your y value is 4, fine, 4 beda bere enare tagolona anta 8. Y x value will be what? 2. Clear? Is sikre sak. Thank you Mashila. Thank you. Fine. September 12 is essay 1. Okay. Before that, I think we will be having the marathon. Fine. Okay. Don't worry. I think Tuesday will be the marathon. Fine. Yes. Tuesday will be the marathon. Fine. So from here, students, now we will take this as 0. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. Correct? 10 bekala. Sorry, y value, x value, y value 0, x value will be 10. Fine. 10 means I'll take it as nothing but what, students? 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Yes, in the upcoming problems you will understand how to form the equations. Okay, one variable you need to take x and other as y. And here also we'll take the values as 2, 4, correct, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Positive values saka, negative beda. So from here 0, 10. 0, 10 andre yav point bartada? This is the point. And again 0, 10 means what? This point. Yes or no? 10, 0 and 0, 10. So the line will be how, students? The line will be like this. Ee riti line irtada. Okay. Okay, almost pass agateti, but exact madak barangila because graph paper is not there. Okay, yes. So next one more line if you see now, yav riti irtadandra x value 1, y value 4 ada. Yes or no? So let me plot this points. X value 1, this will be the point. Again, if x value is 2, it is 8. 2 then 8, it will be like this. Correct? Ee riti. So 100% it will cross how? The line will be like this. Okay. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ exact ಆಗಿ draw ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಹೇಳತೀನಿ because graph is not there. So what will happen, students? Exactly at one point it will intersect over here and that will be the solution. Clear ada? Fine. So this point if you observe, it will be nothing but what? This will be 2, correct? And 2, 8. At exactly 2, 8 it will intersect. Ille intersect ಆಗ್ತದ್ರಿ. Okay, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದನ್ನ ಓರಿಯೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತಿರದ. Fine. At 2, 8 only it will intersect. Okay, 2, 8. Okay, so 2, 8 is the point where it will intersect. This is 1, this is 8, so this point is what? 2, 8. So the solution of this linear equation, okay, so therefore I can tell that solution of linear equation is x value is 2 and y value another 8 other. Means how many girls took part in the mathematics quiz? Number of boys who took part is 2 because x value 2 bandaiti, y value n bandaiti 8. Exactly 4 times ala. Yes or no? Clear ada? Did you people understand this? Fine. So let us move on to the next problem over here. Nodri. Fine. Look at this. Those who are having doubt, I'll explain this problem so that previous problem will also be clear to you people. They are telling that we need to form the pair of linear equations. Fine, we need to form the pair of linear equations in the following problem, and also we need to find their solutions graphically. 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost rupees 50, whereas 7 pencils and 5 pens together cost how much? Rupees 46. Find the cost of one pen and that of one pencil. Clear? So what we'll do now, same again, you need to take the x variable as for pencils, and you can take y variables for the what? Pens. Clear? Now those who are having doubt, look at this problem, understand this. ಏನು ಹೇಳತ್ತಾರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 pencils ಮತ್ತು 7 pens ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ 5 pencils, that is 5 times of x plus 7 times of y is equal to what? 50. Clear? Along with that, they are telling that 7x plus 5y is equals to what? They are telling that it is 46. Clear? Understood? Now what you have to do, students, over here is, this is a homework for you people, or else I'll do. Chalo, non problem. Okay, next problem I'll give you homework, but you people see over here how we are going to do this is, first we'll plot this equation. Fine, next page alli madona anta. Yes, so we have 5x plus 7y is equals to 5x plus 7y is equals to how much we have? 50. Clear Ada? So if I put the box for this, okay, yes, look at this, students. We'll take x value and y value. Nan x value ಏನರೆ 0 itra, y value will be 50 divided by 7. Correct? Again, if I keep y value as 0, x value will be what? 10. Clear or no? Fine. Now whatever 50 by 7 is there, it is nothing but what? 50 by 7 ಏನದ? It is almost 7. Fine. Nearly to 7 ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Similarly, we have the second equation, that is nothing but what? 7x plus 5y is equals to 46. 7x plus 5y is equals to what? 46. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ problem ಅದ draw ಮಾಡಾಕ, graph 100% I'll tell you, but yes, I'll do it and show to you people. If you do in graphical paper, how it will look. Clear? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇವಾಗ. So your x value, y value over here, x value nan 0 itra, y value will be what? 46 by 5. 46 by 5 andre mat again it is somewhere around to 9. Okay, clear? And then if we see y value as 0, x value will be what? 46 by 7. Correct? 46 by 7 andra ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹತ್ರ 6.5 6.5 it will be something like this. Clear? Exact draw graph madak barangilla. Now if you do the graph, this is a homework for you people, students, over here. Homework ada ida. Homework. So what you have to do is draw the graph. Draw the graph on graph paper. Okay, this is the homework for you people. Fine, but how it will look? ನೀವು ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಪೇಪರ್ನಾಗ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕಾಣ್ತದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Look at this. Yes, look at this. First equation ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ, what did we have? We have 7x plus 5x plus 7y is equals to 50. Correct? 5x we had, sorry, 5x plus 7y is equals to 50, and another equation we had 7x plus 5y is equals to 46. Clear? Understood, students? ನೀವು ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಸಿಗ್ತದ. Okay, if you draw it in graph paper, this is what you will get. Did you people understand this? ಇದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇದು ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಅದ, that is your 5x plus 7y, and this is another line where it will intersect at 3, 5. At exactly one point it will intersect, so it will have exactly what? One solution. Verify ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ನೀವು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದನ್ನ. Okay, fine. So from here, if you solve this, okay, you will solve this, then x value will be equals to 3 and y value will be equals to what? 5. So this is the cost of what? Not really. Cost of pencil is what? Rupees 3 and cost of pen is what? Rupees 5. Okay, clear ada? Fine, try to do it, you will get the answer. Done? Chalo. So next we have, students, this. On comparing the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2, find whether the line representing the following pair of linear equation intersect at one point, are parallel or are coincident. Okay, first one can we do? Fast madri, first one let us do. Clear? First one we have 5 by 7, 5 by 7, and here we have nothing but what? Minus 4 by 6. And if you observe, students, both are unequal. That is what? a1 by a2 is not equals to what? b1 by b2. Haudalva? a1 by a2 is not equals to what? b1 by b2. Intersecting lines, only one solution. Very nice, ma. Correct? So what we can tell over here? We can tell that a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. So the lines are intersecting. The lines are intersecting at exactly one point. Okay, exactly one point. Fine, clear ada? Done? Just sir, what is parallel and coincident lines? Parallel and coincident both are same. Fine. Parallel means what? Coincident means one on the other. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ನಿಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದಲ್ಲ ಗ್ರಾಫಿಕಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಒನ್ ಲೈನ್ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಕುಂತ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವಾಟ್? ಕೋಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್. ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಕೋಇನ್ಸಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಒನ್ ಅಬೌವ್ ದಿ ಅದರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್, and parallel means like this, separate. Understood? Fine. Coincidence is the case of what? Infinite solutions. Fine. Now for this question over here, for this question, look at this. Yes, look at this. Option A, infinite solution. B, inconsistent. C, unique solution. Or D, none of the above. Yes, poll ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಪೋಲನ್ನ. 30 seconds time for the third one. For the third one, okay, for the third one. Second one will be a homework for you people. You'll complete it as a homework. ನೋಟ ಅಂದ್ರೆ none of the above. Fine. Fast poll start ಆಗೈತಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. Fine. Yes, the poll is completed, students. From here, if you observe, here what do we have? 6 by 2 other. So 6 by 2, this equation I am solving over here. 6 by 2 we have. Clear? And then we have nothing but what? Should be equals to minus 3 by minus 1 we have. Should be equals to what? 10 by 9. ಹೌದಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 1s are 2 3s are. So this is 3. Minus minus will get cancelled, equal, but this is not equals to 10 by 9. So a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2, not equals to c1 by c2. Condition is for what? Here what we are getting, guys? ಏನು ಸಿಗತ್ತದ? a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 but not equals to c1 by c2. It's condition for what? No solution. It is condition for what? No solution. No solution andre ಏನು? Inconsistent. Inconsistent. So inconsistent means what? Option B is correct. Clear? Option B is correct, not unique solution. Fine. So option B is correct. Okay, done. Clear? Ada? You'll get a poll on the screen. Fine. Done. Chalo. No solution is the case. Next one, beta, we have solved the following question. Afdaf tells his daughter 7 years ago, I was 7 times old as you were then. Also 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically by the method of substitution. Okay, sorry, by method of substitution. We'll do this later. Okay, this problem is amel barono. Next we have, fine, a problem substitution method beka. We will come to that later. Now we have algebraic method of solving. Okay, algebraic method of solving, two things are there. One is we do by substitution method and the other one is what? Elimination method. Okay, here methods are. In algebraic method we can, substitution method is also there, elimination method is also there. Now how do we do it? Understand this. Substitution method hang ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. What it means? Choose one of the equation and solve for one variable in terms of other. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನದ? ಎರಡು equations ಅದಾವಲ್ಲ, a1x plus b1y is equals to c1 and here we have, correct? Yes. Now they are telling that from a1x plus b1y is equals to c1, we find either x is equals to in terms of x or we find in terms of what? Y. Okay, substitute this expression into the other equation. Fine. Illi ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ mistake agiti. This should be a2, b2 and c2. So ಈಗ next ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? Solve the resulting equation in the remaining variable and then substitute this value back in the step 1 to get the one variable. Clear? Now I will explain you with the help of the example. Aವಾಗ clear ಆಗ್ತದ. Solve the following pair of linear equations by what? Substitution method. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು observe ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ, we can take this as equation 1. Fine. ಇದನ್ನ equation 1 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ and we can take this as equation 2. Now the step 1 tells that either you choose this or choose this. ಯಾವುದರೆ ಒಂದು select ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಯಾವುದರೆ ಒಂದು select ಮಾಡಂತಲೇ form it in terms of one variable. Means that what? If I am taking equation 2, observe ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Equation 2, what do we have? X plus 2y is equals to 3. Clear ada? Now from here x value ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? 3 minus 2y. Yes or no? So you can term this as equation 3 over here. ಏನು problem ಇಲ್ಲ. Correct ada? Equation 3. Now substitute this in the other equation. So substitute 2 ಇಂದ start ಮಾಡಿದೇವಿ. 3 ಅನ್ನ 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ substitute ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? Fine. So what does it says? Substitute 3 in 1. Okay, substitute 3 in 1. So from here what we'll get, students? Now it will be nothing but what? 7 times of x value another 3 minus 2y, correct, minus 15y will be equals to 2. Multiply this. 7 3s are 21 minus 7 2s are 14y minus 15y should be equals to 2. So yes, what we can do, students? Now 21 minus 14 andre ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದ? 29y should be equals to 2. Rearrange ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. 21 minus 2 is equals to 29y. Okay, clear? So ಏನು ಬರ್ತದ? 21 minus 2 is nothing but what? 2 is equals to 29y, or y value is nothing but what? 2 by 29. Okay, 2 by 29. Is this clear for you people? Clear ada? Fine. So one variable ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಈಗ. This is the value of what? 1. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅದು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡೋದು ಏನು ನೆಸೆಸಿಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಈಸಿಲಿ ಬಂತು ಅಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಾಯಿಕ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇಂದ. ಹೌದೇನಿಲ್ಲ? ಎಸೋನು ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಆ ಲೈನ್ ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಇದೆಷ್ಟು ಈಸಿ ಅದ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ನಾವು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ 1 ಅನ್ನ 1 in 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾರಿ 1 ಅಲ್ಲ 4 ತಗೋಬಹುದು ಇದನ್ನ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆ 1 ಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಫೈನ್. ಎಸ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 4. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ 4 in 3. ಸೊ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನಾವು ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ x value will be 3 minus 2 times of y. Y value another 2 by 29. So it will be nothing but what, students? 3 minus 4 by 29. 29 into 3 will be how much? 87. 87 minus 4 will be nothing but what? 83 by 29. This is the value of what? Y. Understood the, sorry, this is the value of what? X. So understood the substitution method. Ain't difficulty other substitution method naga. Helri, do you people have any difficulty? First of all, take one of the equation. You can either choose the easiest one. Yav easy irtadalla adan choose madri. Fine. So from there express this complete equation in terms of one variable. Andre x will be equals to what? 3 minus 2y. Substitute in the other equation, find the value and then take the same equation and solve. Done other problem. Done. Yes. Now next, look at this problem over here. Fine. Solve the following pair of linear equations by substitution method. Substitution method anna use ಮಾಡಿ solve ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ತರ. Okay, ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? Can you do? Okay. So from here students, if I take the LCM over here, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಏನಾದ್ರೆ LCM ತಗೊಂಡ್ನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗ್ತದ? Fine. For this equation I am talking, we have one of the equation as s minus t is equals to 3. Okay, this is equation 1 suppose. Fine. So s value ಏನು ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ t plus 3 ಆಗ್ತದ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅದ? Fine. Then name this equation as 3. ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾ? ಓಕೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನಾವು? Fine. Again on another equation, what do we have students over here? S by 3 plus t by 2 is equals to 6. LCM in bartad nodri 3 and 2 LCM is what? 6 over here. So here I need to multiply by 2 and here by 3. So it will be 2s plus 3t. Okay, or it will be 6 will be the LCM. 2s plus 3t will be equal to 6 or 2s plus 3t will be equals to what? 6 6 are 36. Clear? Fine. So this you can name it as equation 2. So now what we will do is substitute 2 in 1. 2 ಅನ್ನ 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? 2s plus 3t will be equals to 36. Fine. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 2 in 1 ಅಂದ್ರ 2 times of s value ಏನದ? t plus 3 ಅದ plus 3t is equals to 36. So if you multiply this 2t ಬರ್ತದ 2t plus 6 plus 3t will be equals to 36. So 3t plus this will be 5t will be equals to 30 and t value is equals to what? 30 by 5 is nothing but what? 6 over here. So t value bantenilla easily. Fine. Fine. Anvisha, you are passed out student, no ma? I remember you. Okay. So this is what your equation 4th you can take. Clear? Adu 1, 2, 3, 4 aata. So now the last step over here, that is substitute 4 in 1. During marathons you would attend, I remember you. Correct or no? So t value, if I substitute over here, s value will be nothing but what? 6 plus 3. So s value will be equals to what? 9. Clear? Understood? So both the values we have got over here by substitution method. I hope there is no confusion. Correct? Innೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡೋಣ. We can do this. Clear? ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ by substitution method. Then we'll go to what? Algebraic method. Sorry, elimination method. Yes sir, when was class? When sir? Yeah sir, when was 11th class? 11th class means you want 11th class marathon, huh? It will be also starting soon. Which college you are, ma? Anvisha, how much did you get in class 10th? Did you score well? ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ತ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ 11th? ಫೈನ್. ಎಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ by elimination substitution method, giving you 10 minutes time. Do it. Yes, clear. So what we can do students is, suppose this is a equation 1. Nodri alla kade point ada haudenilla. So instead of that, what we can do and take is, we can multiply this equation by 10. ಇದನ್ನ multiply by 10 ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ multiply by 10 ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದ. Yes or no? So what we'll get now? We'll get 0.2x into 10 will be what? 2x plus 3y will be equals to 13. And here also 10 if we multiply, 4x plus 5y will be equals to what? 23. Clear? Fine? Understood? Yes. Now next from here students, now okay, next illinda ivaga solve madbekandra, you can name this as equation 1 over here and you can name this as equation 2 over here. Clear? So from 1 I'll take the equation 1. So from here 2x will be equals to what? Nodri 13 minus 3y ಆಗ್ತದ, or x value will be equals to what students? 13 minus 3y divided by 2. So this you can name it as equation what now? Equation 3 ಅನ್ನ ನೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇದಕ್ಕ. Done ada? Super ma, congratulations. Fine. When I was in 10th I did not even score how much you scored. Okay, super. Very nice. Clear? How is the 11th going on? 11th easy anistidena, tough anistidena amma? 11th is more tough, right, than 10th? Yes or no? So when we see for the first equation over here, substitute, will substitute, so only it is called as substitution method. Substitute 3 in 1. 11th marathon will be coming soon, okay, don't worry. Fine. Substitute 3 in 1. So when we do that, ಏನು ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 3 ಅನ್ನ 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, 1 ಅಲ್ಲ 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್. ಸೊ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 4 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 13 minus 3y divided by 2 plus it is 5 times of yes, y value 5y as it is equals to what? 23. So 2 ones are 2 twos are, correct ada? So it is nothing but what? 26 minus 3 twos are 6y plus 5y is equals to 23. So from here students, if you see 26 minus y is equals to 23, idanna ee kade karkondu bandra y value will be what? 3. Simple, right? Y value is 3 over here. Done. Next, if y value is 3, moving on to the next one, that is this we can name it as 4. 4 in 1, 4 in 3. So what do we get? Your x value is equals to 13 minus 3 times of 3 divided by 2. So x value is 13 minus 9 andre 4 by 2 bartada. So x value is 2. So this is are the required values. Substitution method is clear for you people? Clear ada? Enu confusion illala substitution method naga. Fine, just find the multiply, find the variables and then interchange. Clear? I got the same answer but little mistake I have done. No worries. Very nice. Fine. Done. Simple alla iga. Enu confusion illala. Fine. And then this you can do it as an homework. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಹಿಂಟ್ ಐಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಇಸ್ LCM ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊರಿ ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ ಅನ್ನ. Find the LCM of this also, LCM of this also. Try to cancel whatever is cancelling out and you can do it. Okay. Homework. Okay, done. Then we have the last method over here, students. Innond method ada, that is nothing but what? Elimination method. Okay, elimination method we have. Algebraic methods ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಅದಾವ, ಒಂದು substitution method, ಒಂದು elimination method. Elimination method ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ easy method ಅದ. Okay, and it is little bit important because 3 marks questions will come from here. Okay. Yes, elimination method is little bit important. Elimination is more easy. Yes, very nice. Correct. Yes, you can comment the answers so that if you get a good, if we both get the correct answers, it will be verification for me also. Fine, I have done it correctly. Yes, so see the first step. In the first step, write both the equations in the standard form. a1x plus b1y. Nodri, il ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ standard form change agatada. So it is a1x plus b1y is equals to c1, a2x plus b2y is equals to c2. Decide which variable to eliminate, x or y. Choose the variable whose coefficients will be easiest to make identical. Identical array ಇರಬೇಕು, opposite array ಇರಬೇಕು. ಆ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Adjust coefficients if necessary. Multiply one or both the equations by suitable non-zero constant so that the selected variable has same or opposite coefficient. ಎರಡು ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರ fine, you can multiply or divide. Fine, whatever number you want. Yes. Next, after this, add or subtract the equations to eliminate the chosen variable. If the coefficients are opposite, add them. If the coefficients are equal, subtract them. Solve the resulting equation for remaining variable and find its value, and then substitute the variable into the first or second equation to get the other variable. State the solution as the ordered pair if unique solution exists. Order pair ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ xy ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Whatever solution we'll get, we need to represent it in the form of what? X and y. Clear ada? Fine. Now we have 3 cases. We can change the sign to make answer easy. Sign you can't change appa. Sign will remain same by dividing. You can do that. By dividing you can do that. Okay. By multiplying you can't change the sign. Fine. Now we have 3 cases, special cases. Clear? No solution. Suppose namge ಏನರೆ elimination ಮಾಡೋದ್ವಾಗ if you are doing the elimination and leads to a false statement, 0 is equals to 5, the system is what? Has no solution and we tell it is inconsistent. Now solve ಮಾಡಾತೀವಿ. ಒಂದು ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ನು ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಆಗತ್ತದ ಬಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅದ. ಎರಡು ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಆಗತ್ತವ ಬಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟ್? ನೋ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಅದ? ಫೈನ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ದಿಸ್ 2 equations. minus 2x plus 3y is equals to 10, and here I'll take 2x minus 3y is equals to 5. Now if you observe students over here, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದಾ? Fine, you can feel that over here plus 3y ada minus 3y ada, we will add both the equations. Yes, add, but here minus 2x plus 2x is there, it will get cancelled. This will also get cancelled, 0. Since we are adding, it will become 50. Is this true? No, definitely these are both are unequal. False aithe the case. False agantle, what do we say? This has no solution. Such kind of case if we get, we tell it as what? No solution case. Clear ada? And the opposite of that, infinitely many solutions. Opposite of that is infinitely many solution. If the elimination leads to a true statement, without variables. Variables say illa. Okay, we are telling that we get sorry, infinitely many solution if the elimination leads to a true statement and the system will be having infinitely many solutions. Okay, clear ada? Parallel lines, no solutions. This is in case of what? Elimination. Ill nodri, variables eliminate aata. Yes or no? Clear ada? And here if I take the same equations, nodri, I am taking minus 2x plus 3y is equals to minus 10 and I am taking 2x minus 3y is equals to 10. If I add the both the equations, cancel aata, 0 equals to 0. So this has infinitely many solutions. Did you people understand how the cases will be? Clear Allah? So these are your special cases. We can do a problem over here. Idanna nodi. Use elimination method to find all the possible solutions for the following equations. Okay, can you people do this? Can you people do this fast agi ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ? ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಅದ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಅದ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಅದ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಅದ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಅದ. Can we try to make one of them same? How we can make them? I'll multiply this equation by 2 over here. Multiply ಮಾಡೋಣ 2 ಇಂದ. So ಈ equation ಇಂದ if I multiply 2, it will be nothing but what? 4x plus 6y will be equals to what? 8 2s are 16, and here I'll multiply by 1. Andre same, keep it is same. That is 4x plus 6y is equals to 7. Now can you observe me fast and tell what kind of solution we will get? What is the value of x and y? Fast, without any delay. What is the value of x and y? Inconsistent. Very nice, super. Because ಏನಾಗ್ತದ, if I subtract over here, subtract ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆತ, ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆತ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಬಂತ, ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಬರ್ತದ? 16 minus 7 is what? We will get nothing but what? 9. Clear? So this is a what? False result. This is a false result. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಸೇ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಆಯಿತು ಮತ್ತು 0 equals to 9 ಬಂತು, which is a false result. So what do we say, students? This is what? It is inconsistent and do not have solution. Correct? Do not have a solution. Understood, people? Are you clear with this? Clear? Clear? Yes. Next one beta. This one problem is there. Last problem is there. Fine. Remaining problems are there, students. Fine. Marathon ada. Fine. On Tuesday I will be taking the class 10th marathon. Avag nimda bere bere questions anna include ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. I'll keep those questions in this PDF. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Be very careful with the instructions. All these questions which I have kept in this PDF over here, these are homework problems for you. Practice ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನಾಗ ಬಂದಿರುವಂಥ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ, ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ. So those questions I'll be solving in the marathon sessions. Okay, then we will verify whatever our answers are correct or no. Instructions are clear. Tuesday will be the marathon. 5:30 p.m. will be the time. 5:30 in the start ಮಾಡಿ all the topics whatever are there. Yeah, one more thing, students. Can you tell me what all topics are there for you for the this midterm SA1? SA1 ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ? Can anyone tell? ಶೀಲಾ, ರಾಮು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದೇನಾ ಚಾಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ? ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ವಾಟ್? LCM over here. LCM will be 6. Correct? So here I need to multiply by 3. So it is 3x plus here also I need to multiply by 2. So it is 4y is equals to minus 1. So it is 3x plus 4y is equals to minus of 6. Okay, equation 1 banta. Yadu equation amele elimination ಮಾಡೋಣ. Only one triangles. Can you give me the list in one single message? One single message ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇದನ್ನ ಹಾಕಬಹುದಾ? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ನಾ ಅದೇ ಟಾಪಿಕಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾರಥಾನನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫೈನ್. Next, coming to this over here students, again if I take the LCM is 3 over here. Here I need to multiply by 3, so it is 3x. Here I need to multiply by 1, so it is minus y is equals to 3. So we have 3x minus y is equals to 9. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಎರಡು equations ಬಂದಿದಾವ. Let us eliminate one of them and solve. We have 3x minus y is equals to 9. And again we have 3x plus 4y is equals to minus of 6. Now see, 3x already same adara. Aitenilla, same aitenilla. Fine. So we have the same thing over here. So if we have the same thing, what we'll do over here friends? We can subtract directly. Subtract madidre ill kuda sign change ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ill sign plus ಆಗ್ತದೆ, minus of minus plus. So this will get cancelled. Y minus 4y will be minus 5y, and here it will be 9 plus 6, which is 15. So y value will be nothing but what? 15 by minus 5, or y value will be nothing but what? Minus 3. Everyone is getting y value as minus 3. Y value as minus 3. Y value as minus 3 banta. Very nice. Now since you are getting y value as minus 3 over here, coming to this, that is 3x minus y we have is equals to 9, or 3x value will be equals to what? 9 plus y, or 3x value will be equals to what? 9 minus in bandit value minus 3. So 3x value will be equals to what? 6. So x value is equals to what? 2. So nodri, by elimination method we are able to find the value of both the variables x and y. Clear? Okay, fine. Now that's it my dear students. Okay, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ ನಾನು. ಫೈನ್. ಸೊ ಮಿಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್, SA1 syllabus. Clear? Yes, thanks appa, thanks very much. Triangles number system in start ಆಗ್ತದ. We have number system. Clear? Second one we have nothing but what? Polynomials. Correct? Polynomials. Correct? Third one we have pair of linear equations in two variables. Third one we have, fourth one we have quadratic equations. Quadratic equations. Fine. Okay. Fifth one we have quadratic equations, and then AP. Correct? Real sorry, number system alla, real numbers it is. Yes. Fine. Real numbers. Fifth one AP other. Okay, AP. Sixth one we have triangles. Clear? Seventh one another yes, real numbers. Coordinate geometry. Thanks Param. Okay, so this will be the topics that we will be covering in what? Your marathon. Okay, AP, triangles, coordinate geometry. Fine. Yes, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 topics. 7 topics are there. Fine, no worries. So Tuesday will be the marathon my dear students. Avag complete madona. Homework will be what? Practice board PYQs on graphical methods provided in the DPP. Hard work never pays off. Hard work pays off. Sorry, never alla. Hard work will always pay off. ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಷ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅದರದ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದ. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಯ್ತು? How much you put the hard work students, that much you will get the fruit of it. So that's it my dear students. ನಮ್ಮ ಸೆಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮುಗಿಸೋನು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿಗೋಣಂತ. Why? Fine sir, I did not study whole book. No worry appa, don't worry. How much questions I'll be doing over here, if you do, definitely you'll score a good marks. Okay, in the marathon, whatever questions I'll be doing over here, if you go through it properly, definitely you'll score a good marks. Okay, don't worry. Important questions ana tagond bartini. We will do MCQ questions also, so it will help you in your subjective plus your MCQ questions. Fine na? Done. So sigona students, Tuesday around 5:30, so that 5:30 will be the timing. We'll do all the important questions. Make sure that you prepare and come so that you don't get confused over here. So till then students, take care. Thank you ellarigu. Thank you my dear students.